Imagine waking up one day struggling to move your fingers or take a step without pain. What if I told you this could happen silently right now without you realizing it? Our bones and joints are the foundation of every move we make, but when something goes wrong, it can change your life forever. In this video we uncover the fascinating world of joints and reveal the hidden culprit behind one of the most common yet misunderstood conditions, rheumatoid arthritis. Stay tuned because understanding this might just be the key to protecting your mobility and your future. Bones play a crucial role in providing structure and support to the body while enabling movement. Joints, where two or more bones connect, are classified as immovable, slightly movable, or freely movable. Arthritis refers to any condition that impacts the joints, often leading to pain and inflammation. Among its various types, rheumatoid arthritis is the second most common. This autoimmune disorder typically affects joints in the wrists, hands, knees, ankles, and feet, often symmetrically on both sides of the body. It may also involve other organs and systems, such as the eyes, skin, heart, lungs, kidneys, nervous system, and digestive tract.
Are you struggling with rheumatoid arthritis? In this video, we'll explore how ginger, a powerful natural remedy, can help manage the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Learn how ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can reduce joint pain, stiffness, and swelling caused by this autoimmune disease. Discover the best ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine, whether through ginger tea, supplements, or topical applications to support your joint health naturally. We'll also discuss the science behind ginger's benefits for rheumatoid arthritis and why it's gaining attention as a natural remedy for chronic inflammation. If you're looking for effective natural ways to relieve rheumatoid arthritis symptoms, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And now we're going to have a look at ginger. Ginger is well known for being an anti-nausea herb. So if anyone has nausea, finely grate the ginger, pour boiling water on it, and they can sip on that tea. It makes a delicious tea. So you might use, there's some graters are like this, or the fine grater on the big one, and about a teaspoon into a little teapot, and then pour the boiling water in. In about 10 minutes you'll find it's drinkable temperature and the person can sip on it. If you buy seasickness or car sickness tablets, it's nearly always just compressed ginger. Now we're going to use it on the outside. We're going to make a poultice. And I fold over cling wrap a few times so it's a little better to use. And I put that down on my little chopping board, and then I get a cloth. It's good to have a poultice box and have a collection of these cloths. That's a good size to make a poultice. And now we're going to grate the ginger, and we grate it on this small one. So where would we use ginger? Ginger can be used for any joint pain. So remember, ginger's for joint. And I grate up, let's say I'm going to put it on a sore wrist. Anywhere where there is inflammation in the joint, it can be used. So let's say a person's got some arthritis in their joint and it's quite painful. A ginger poultice can be made, because this ginger poultice appears to draw the inflammation out of the joint. So you can see here I'm spreading out the ginger to take up. I'm going to apply it to an area probably about 2 inches by 2 inches. So you spread it out evenly. And then to make the poultice, you're going to make a little package. So it's top over bottom and then side over side. And then you turn it over, and the part that goes onto the body is the part that's just got one layer. So you can see the yellow ginger juice starting to come out of there. You also see that the plastic wants to be about 1/2 inch more than the poultice itself, and the reason that you are using the plastic is to protect the clothes, but also to keep the poultice from chilling. So let's say I'm putting it on my wrist. So then I'll put it on the area like that, and then I'll bandage it on. Ideally it's well bandaged, because you don't want air coming into any of those areas which can chill it, and you don't want it chilled. So this can be used for arthritis, it can be used for gout, it can be used for sore knees, it can be used for lower back. It's very good for sore lower back, anywhere where you've got inflammation. So the sore lower back, we've had people sing its praises. We've had people at our retreats that have a very sore lower back. We apply the ginger poultice, and usually their pants can hold it in place. And within half an hour, they're telling us it's getting very hot. When the skin gets hot under the ginger poultice, it's an indication that it's drawing the inflammation out of the joint to the skin. When someone has a sore lower back, they often want to put a hot water bottle on their back. Now the hot water bottle does bring relief, because whenever you're in pain, the muscles tend to cramp. Basically, they're going out in sympathy with the pain. And our body naturally cramps against pain because it's painful. And the hot water bottle relaxes those cramping muscles, so there is some relief. But a hot water bottle on an inflamed area can increase the inflammation. So the hot water bottle is really not the best, because it can increase the inflammation even though it relaxes the muscles. Whereas the ginger poultice, when it's applied to the lower back and the ginger starts to draw the inflammation out of the joint to the skin and the whole area gets hot, that's relaxing the cramping muscles. So the ginger poultice relaxes the cramping muscle, and the ginger poultice pulls the inflammation out of the joint. I usually apply the ginger poultice maybe about 6 o'clock in the evening. Say the person's got a sore knee or a sore wrist or wherever it may be. And that allows the person to feel how hot it's going to get. Because if you put it on just before you go to bed and half an hour later you're woken up because it's feeling quite burning, it can interfere with your sleep. So if you put it on about 6, it gives the person the opportunity to assess it and say, I actually like that heat, I can sleep with that, or it's too hot, we'll take it off. Even if you take it off after half an hour, it has still had an effect. One lady emailed me, she tried it overnight, and in the morning she had 50% less pain in her knee. She was so excited she made another one and changed it at lunchtime, and at the end of the day she had a shower, then put another one on, and when she woke up the next morning, her knee was all red and inflamed. She emailed me, she said, "What have I done?" And I said, "You've just overdone it." She said, "What will I do?" I said, "Nothing." No ginger poultices for maybe about another week until that skin settles down. She had just done it so much that so much inflammation had been pulled out of the joint to the skin, it had inflamed the skin. So if you have some arthritis or a sore joint, my suggestion is just do it overnight or just do it for a few hours in the afternoon.
Benefits of ginger for rheumatoid arthritis. 1. Reduces inflammation. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body. This can help reduce the joint swelling and pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis. 2. Relieves pain. Studies suggest that ginger may act similarly to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs (NSAIDs) by blocking enzymes like COX-2, which are involved in pain and inflammation. 3. Improves mobility. Regular use of ginger has been linked to reduced stiffness and improved joint function, especially when taken over time. 4. Supports immune balance. As raw as an autoimmune condition, ginger's ability to modulate the immune system may help reduce the overactive immune response that causes joint damage. How to use ginger for rheumatoid arthritis. 1. Ginger tea. Boil fresh ginger slices in water, strain, and drink 1 to 2 cups daily. 2. Ginger powder. Add 1 to 2 grams of powdered ginger to meals or mix it into warm water with honey. 3. Ginger oil. Massage ginger essential oil mixed with a carrier oil, e.g., coconut oil, onto painful joints. 4. Ginger supplements. Consult your doctor about taking ginger capsules, 250-500 mg, 2 to 3 times daily. Precautions. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to ginger. Blood thinners. Ginger can increase the risk of bleeding if you're on anticoagulants like warfarin. Stomach issues. High doses may cause heartburn or upset stomach.
Thank you for joining me on this journey to a healthier, happier life. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to the vibrant health you deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips that can transform your life. Together, we can spread the knowledge and make a difference. Here's to your health, one day at a time.